Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting groups on Viber. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Viber and then open the group chat that you would like to delete. Tap on the name of the chat at the top. Then scroll down the menu and tap on a participant. Then tap Remove from Chat. Tap OK on the pop-up. You need to repeat this step until all of the participants of the group have been removed. When you are the only participant left in the group, scroll to the bottom of the menu and tap Leave and Delete. Then tap Leave and Delete again on the pop-up. Your group will be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Viber tips and tricks.